Mm.
Does it?
Have you cut? What are you choosing? Okay.
I'll take it off.
Lemon banana. Okay, it's okay. You can cut. Oh, it has broken. Okay, you can use this.
Okay.
Yes. Cut at once and come and sit. Yes, please come. This is geranium. These are mosquito. And also they can be taken in tea. This is cut meat. Yes, cut meat can be taken in juice or tea. This is oregano. Oregano is very good for people who like to do weight loss, cleansing the stomach. It's very good. Then we have lavender. We have lavender, which is what I did. Then this is chocolate mint. This is water mint. This is water mint. This is lemon verbena. This is peppermint. Yes, peppermint. And this is lemongrass, but we're not cutting this.
Does it?
Have you cut? What are you choosing?
Okay. I'll take it off.
Lemon verbena. Okay, okay, you can cut. This one. A little bit lower? Yes, yes.
That's big. I was not supposed to get a big.
Oh,
That's
hold this
very
over.
large.
Not tight.
Here, come and pick another one. You need to.
Yeah.
The ones that are down. This one's down.
These are mine, guys. These are mine. Is it big enough?
Do I need to cut these as well? Okay. So this is the
Now we're going to try more. No, Leon, that's okay.
generous amount of flour. Then
Oh. Yeah, I need scissors.
Don't press too much. That's okay because we had cut it before, so that's okay. Oh, it has broken. Okay, you can use this.
Is this okay?
Yes, that's okay. Yes, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. You're watering our plants. If you finish planting, you're watering.
is this enough water?
Yes, that's enough water.
I'm after.
Do you have? This is yours. Okay. I think we need to cut off these two lower leaves.
Is this okay?
Add more routine powder.
Like
Hold
this?
this as well.
Like this?
Yes. And then